something. And yeah, let's unbox it together. I ordered the flaky lash lifting kit because I know I used that one last year and I really liked it, because when I don't wear makeup I really prefer it when my lashes are like lifted, and it just gives you a natural kind of awake look. I don't like looking sleepy, but usually I do. And yeah, so let's just unbox it together. I don't have a good scissors, so I'm just gonna use my eyebrow scissors for it. Actually open it like this. Yay! It comes like in a little kit and it's super cute. And just usually a little packet like this, and it says like, let's get your lashes on fleek. This is the glue which you have to apply on top of your lashes. And these serums, I'm probably gonna do the lifting later and I'm gonna show you the result, but I'm super excited to do it. Like, I have to go out now. I'm gonna meet the friend, but after that in the evening I'm probably gonna try this one out again. I'll show you the result. Let me show you my outfit of the day. I'm wearing like a gray top from H&M and like black trousers from Zara and Air Force. It's just something casual, nothing special, but I think it's cute. This looks really nice. Prost. Okay. Wir haben schöne Outfits an. Das ist mein gelbes Oberteil, das ist eine schöne Hose. Und Partnerlook. Wir probieren das jetzt. Lecker. Ja, ganz klar. Nein, das ist aus. Aber lass mich halt das Gravy Burger. Ehrlich, ja, oder? Nee, war eine Latte. Okay, wir müssen zurück. I just went to the gym, and now I come back and I'm getting ready because I have uni today. I have 2 classes, and then in the evening I'm gonna be having Korean class. And yeah, okay, I'm gonna leave like in 5 minutes because I need to take the bus, and then I'm gonna go to uni today because I have 2 classes. Later in the evening I have Korean class, so today is kind of like a full day. And yeah, I'll try to take you guys with me, but it's kind of difficult to film in uni and my phone quality isn't the best, so I'm just thinking what to do. But yeah, let's see. I'm kind of in a rush again, as always, but it's gonna be fine. I like my outfit today. Like, I really like this top. I feel like the white tops with like something written on it are really trendy right now. And yeah, okay, let's go. I just got ready because I'm going to have dinner with my friends. This is my look. I think I look quite okay. I want to have like a chill evening, so don't care about the mess. I'm gonna clean this up once I'm back. But now I just need to go and get some cash because I'm not sure if they accept card there, and I forgot it and I just remembered, so I'm gonna go and get the money. And yeah, I'll talk to you later.